Take a look at this. I don't know if it's focusing, but this the remote to my TV. My TV in my bedroom. And it's constantly been going bad because the battery getting bad in there because I don't use this TV at all. Like I don't even remember the last time I actually used this TV, probably over a year ago. So instead of me just having it in here and having to keep cleaning this, I decided to actually go for another look. Like just take the TV out, maybe give it to somebody or sell it to somebody that are probably gonna use it, and set up this wall. So as you can see, I have a plain blank wall as well, which could be very boring, right? Like, I mean, I don't really need to have like that many stuff in my bedroom, but if you know me, like I love switching things around. Like initially when I actually moved in, my plan was like to not have like any stuff in the bedroom, like to keep it very minimal, right? But that plan has changed lately. So what I'll be doing, I'll be installing some IKEA shelves and have like a bookshelf as well, which the idea that I have in my mind is to make this place like a mini library and also like an art gallery, right? Where I can display things I like and things that I love seeing, and also like bunch of books, right? Because I love seeing books. I love books. So let's do that. We're gonna take the TV off right now and get this process started. It's too heavy. Oh shit. Phase 1 done, which is mounting up the frames. I was pretty quick as well, so I'm glad that didn't take that much time. But yeah, we're gonna keep it rolling, continue with the process, right? This is it, finally gone there. What do you guys think? Is it better than the previous looks with the TV? Or did it came out worse? Let me know in the comments below. But me personally, I feel like it came out pretty well. I love it, Like there's an extra seating area for me in my room. It's just nice to just sit here, look outside, sunrise, sunsets, just chill, right? Or even like just be in a read book. So I love it already. Thanks so much, and I hope you guys find value in this video. And please consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. Check out my other content. I do a lot of DIYs like this. I do vlogs and also inspirational content, so check them out. But anyway, thanks once more, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Need some food.